Hello everyone. In this lesson, we will see how to slice the strings in Python. Let us understand first what is slicing. Slicing is a way to access a part of string or substring we can say. Slicing is done using index range. Now let us know general format to slice a string. String and then open the square bracket and then there can be maximum 3 numbers, that is integer numbers given. First one is the start, that is the starting index number, and the next one is the stop, that is also a index number, and step is the integer where how many steps to jump. Here please note the start is including the mentioned number, but the stop is not included. That means the mentioned number is not included. Previous to that, it stops. And the step by default it is 1 when it is not given. Please note that each one start, stop and step is bifurcated using the colon. Let us see some examples now. Let us take str is equal to learn Python. Here is the first example, str of 1:4. So immediately we can just note down the index numbers for the string given. It starts from 1 and then it ends at 4, but 4 is not included. So that means stop -1, that is 3. So 1, 2, 3, EAR is the output. STR of 2 is to 10 is to 3. Remember, the third option is not compulsory. That means the steps either you can give or skip. If you are not giving, that is taken as 1 as default value. Here it starts at 2 and then ends at 10. That means 2 to 9 it will take, but in that the step will be 3. So it will be taking 2 and then 5, that is 3 and 4 are skipped, then 6 and 7 are skipped, the third one is 8. The output here we can see is A space T. We also know that characters in the string are also mentioned using the reverse order, that is with minus indexes. Let us see an example for that. str of -2 is to -7 is to -1. So let us write the string indexes in reverse order. You need to remember this. -1 is mentioned as it's from right to left. The default value of step is 1 only. It is +1. It is never -1. So in case you are mentioning or it is mentioned in the beginning, that is the start is the bigger number and the stop is the smaller number, then it should be from the right to left. So now it starts from -2 and then it will be going up to -6. That is -7 is not included. We know that. So the output will be OHTYP. Let us see the next example, both mixed and positive and negative indexes. str of 1 is to -7. So we are having both the indexes here. It starts from 1 and then ends at -7. So this -7 is not included. It should be stopping at -8. So it will be from left to right. So the step is +1 only. So that is the reason it is not given here. So the output will be EARN. Let us understand little more. If start index is not mentioned, it assigns 0 as default value. If stop index is not mentioned, it takes up to the end of the string. Let us see some examples. We will have same str is equal to learn Python only. str of blank and 4, that is start is not mentioned. It means it will take from 0. So from 0 index number 3 it will take, 4 is not included there, we know already. So LEAR will be the output. str of 8 semicolon and blank. That means the stop index is not mentioned. In this case, it will take from the start index and then the remaining up to the end whatever characters are there, it includes everything. So here YTHON will be the output. str of blank is to blank is to -1. That means start and stop both are not mentioned. Here the step is -1. Start from right side and ends at left side. So that means it will be reversing the string. It will take N to L. Let us execute all these on the Python window. Let me take S1 as interface window. I will slice 9 to 13. So that means S1 of 9 is to 13. So it will be taking 9, 10, 11, 12. 13 is not included. Let me check the indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is the space and then 10, 11, 12. So space WIN will be the answer, right? Now I will give only the stop. So S1 of, let me give 9 here. So it should be from the beginning to 9. So that is interface fully it should come. Yes, 9 is not included. So the space is not included. It came until E. Now let me give without the stop. S1 of, from 10 I will start. We know the space is 9. So that from 10 window fully it came. Now let us introduce this step here. I will start S1 from 3 is to, I will give up to 9 is to, the step is 2. So that means it will be starting from 3. So that is 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 is E, it will take, R it is going to skip, and then F it will take, A it will skip, and then C it will take. Then later space is there, that is 9, it is not going to be included. So let us execute this. So it is right. Let me give now minus index S1 of -12 is to -15 I will give, and then remember this is going from right to left, the step is -1. So RET. So let us check this output. 1, that is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12. So it is -12, R is taken, -13, -14, 15 is not included. So RET it has come, right? Now let me give S1 of bigger to smaller. I give 9 is to 2, but I am not giving the steps now. See, bigger to smaller means it will be from right side to left side. That means it is going in reverse. The step supposed to be -1, but I am not giving the steps. So when the steps is not given, it is taken as 1 by default. 1 means it will be going from left to right. So it cannot go like that. Then the output will be empty string. Similar way, S1 of 2 is to 9 I give, and the step is -1. See that this is also not possible because 2 to 9 is from left to right, but -1 is right to left. Here also it will be giving the empty string. Now let me mix positive and negative both the index numbers. S1 of, I start from 5 and then end at -8. So 5 is F here, -8 is, let us check, minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So minus 8 is E, which will not be included. So FAC should be the output. Now I am giving S1 of minus 8 is to minus 1. I have given minus 8. So from right side it will be coming, and then the end is not given. So end is not given means it will be taking from minus 8 remaining until the beginning. That means from right to left. Let us check what is the output here. You can see that it is reversed interface. If we give S1 of blank blank and minus 1, it will completely reverse. So you could see that interface window. Now I will slice the string and put it into S2, that is S1 of, let me give blank and then 5. Now I am writing S3 is equal to S1 of 5 and blank. See, S2 is from the starting to the 5, and then S3 is from 5 to the end. Now if I join both, we will be getting the same original string, S2 plus S3. Even if we give the negative index like this, it is going to be same. Let me take S1 of blank and then minus 6 plus S1 of minus 6 and blank. So it is the original string. Let me give the stop as more than the last index. We can take also the last index by calculating the length and minus 1. Let us take len of S1. So it is 16. The last index number will be 15. Let me give more than this. S1 of 7 is to 25. It will be going until the end of the string. There won't be any problem in this. But let me give S1 of minus 25 is to 25. So minus 16 supposed to be the first letter, but I have given minus 25. The stop index number is more than the last index. Let us check what happens. This also gives the full string. So it is available from minus 16 it will take, and then it takes until the end of the string. Now I give S1 of, the beginning is minus 1 is 2, and then ending I am not giving, the step is minus 1. So this also will be reversing the string, as end is not given, it will reach until the beginning of the string. Now you will be having clear idea of slicing the strings in Python. Keep watching my channel, keep learning, keep sharing. Thank you.